Move beyond the traditional manual and repetitive task of data reconciliation with Microsoft 365 Copilot for Finance. Let's say you are a finance manager and you spend time every week in Excel reconciling intercompany expenses, often pulled from disparate financial systems. Normally, this would mean you have to manually cleanse the exported data using formulas to identify records that were incorrectly recorded. With a financial reconciliation agent, the data cleansing process to support reconciliation can now be easily automated. When you onboard the agent, you can give specific, customizable instructions on how you'd like the data to be prepared, with it even suggesting additional steps and action plans based on its own financial expertise. With a single click, the agent executes the data cleansing and reconciliation process while giving you full control to correct, customize, or add additional tasks. You can also save as a template and configure the agent to run on a regular basis to automate manual tasks like data cleansing. With the financial reconciliation agent as your partner, you can move beyond the mundane and eliminate time spent on preparing and cleansing critical financial data from any source.